Step 1, choose the prize. If your prize's value is worth more than $600, then you'll need to fill out an IRS Form 1099 and get the information from the winner and send that form in to the IRS. Now, the winner might not actually have to pay taxes on the giveaway item that he or she won. However, the IRS needs to know about it, otherwise you could get in trouble. Before we get to step number 2, I just wanted to say, hey creator, I'm Ian Corzine, your social media lawyer. I'm on a crusade to help you understand the law and also protect your artistic freedom online. Step number 2 is to get clear on the source of the prize for the giveaway. Now, if you got the giveaway prize from a sponsor, then you need to disclose the existence of that relationship, you the creator with the sponsor, to your audience in the video. You do this by saying simple things like, I got this Coke that I'm going to give away from Coca-Cola, and then you say in the description section, thanks Coca-Cola for giving us this Coke to give away in this video.
So guys, let's talk about this giveaway. I've actually partnered with the company Kit to do this giveaway, and so I'm asking you guys to build your dream YouTuber kit. There'll be a link down below in the description that goes to a page that has the full details on how this giveaway works.
I also advise to be doubly sure that you're disclosing the relationship between your sponsor, the person that gave you the giveaway prize, and yourself, to include in the description section #sponsored, #giveaway, and #sweepstakes. If you're giving away something that you entirely own, then you don't need to do those disclosures. Step number 3 is to read the rules of the social media platform that you're doing the giveaway on. For example, on YouTube, any contest or giveaway or sweepstakes must be free to enter. You cannot associate YouTube in any way with your giveaway without their written consent, and YouTube specifically requires that for any sweepstakes, contest, giveaway, there must be official rules that the viewers can easily access. I'm gonna show you where to get those official rules in step number 5. Step number 4 is to post a mini version of the official rules in your post with a link to the official rules. This proves to the FTC or the government agency in your country that the entrants to your contest, to your giveaway or sweepstakes, they basically understood the contest and had easy access to the official rules. To get my recommended mini version of official rules, text giveaway to the number you see on the screen. Just text giveaway to this number. Step number 5 is to post the official rules of your giveaway to your website or to a landing page. Most countries require that you can't change the official rules to the giveaway after it starts. Also, they require that anyone who enters the giveaway must have easy access to the official rules. Everyone must have an equal chance of winning your giveaway, and there can be no purchase necessary to enter your giveaway or your contest or your sweepstakes. To get my attorney drafted official rules that you can use for your own giveaway on any social media platform, go to iancorzine.com, go to the template store and download those official rules. For questions on how to run a #giveaway or a subscriber promotion, you can also go to iancorzine.com and set up an online consult with myself or one of my team members, and we can take you step by step about how to run your giveaway. In the meantime, now that you understand the rules of a giveaway on YouTube or other social media platforms, you may want to understand the rules of running an online business. If you want to learn more about how to use YouTube for your online business, you can watch my playlist right here. As always, as you watch, I will be at iancorzine.com to answer any social media law questions you have.